Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to install font on Figma. Open a separate tab and go to figma.com/downloads. Click on Windows Installer and open the downloaded file and click on Run. Now, search on a separate tab, Font Non-Copyright. Let's try this Font Space website. In here are different font styles that you can download. Once you have chosen a font, click on the download icon here. After it was already downloaded, open the zip file and extract it. Here is how it looks like. Double-click it and click on Install, and go back to your Figma account. Your newly installed font will be seen on the text here. You can search it also. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Please help us reach 1,000 subscribers by clicking the subscribe button, and don't forget to tap on the notification bell so that you get notified for our new upcoming videos. See you next time!